Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a connection problem on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Truecaller and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and